In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Sprints. By the end, you'll know how to turn the Sprints feature on for a space and start adding work to a sprint so your team can plan, focus, and track progress more effectively. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. If you already have an account, go straight to log in. When the sign-in options appear, choose to continue with your Google account. If you use multiple Google profiles, make sure you pick the one tied to your ClickUp workspace so you land in the right place with the right permissions. Once you're in, open your workspace. This is the top-level hub that contains your spaces, projects, and tasks. From here, go to Settings so we can enable sprints where your team works. In Settings, open Spaces. A space is essentially a department or team area, sales, marketing, engineering, so choose the specific space where you want sprints available. Inside the space settings, find Click Apps. Click Apps are feature toggles that let you customize what's turned on in a space. Look for sprints and enable it. When sprints is on, you'll get sprint fields, views, and options throughout that space. Don't forget to save your changes so the feature becomes active. Head back home, then navigate into the team space where you just enabled sprints. Open the project you'll be sprinting on. Now we'll surface the sprint options in your view. Click the plus button you see near View or Field Controls, then type Sprint into the search. Select Sprint from the results to add the sprint capability to this area. If you see a toggle, turn it on. If you see an option, select it to activate. With sprints enabled in the space and visible in your project, you can start using it. Select a task and choose Add to Sprint. This attaches the task to an active sprint so it's included in capacity, reporting, and sprint boards. If multiple sprints exist, pick the correct one from the list. Adding items this way ensures your backlog, active work, and reporting all stay aligned. A few tips as you work. Use clear naming for spaces and projects so everyone knows where sprints are enabled. Keep an eye on permissions so the right people can edit sprint details and standardize your sprint cadence. You can adjust sprint dates and duration inside the sprint view to match your team's schedule. That's it. Sprints are now enabled, visible in your project, and tasks can be added with a click. Pause and repeat any section if you need to, and you'll be sprinting confidently in no time.